The Miss RV Loveseat Recliner is expertly designed to maximize space, making it a perfect fit for adventurous RV travelers who need efficient use of limited areas. Equipped with USB ports, cup holders, and storage pockets, this love seat ensures your gadgets are charged and essentials are within easy reach, enhancing convenience during your travels. Featuring a manual reclining mechanism that adjusts between 90 to 150 degrees, this love seat offers extended footrests and customizable angles for superior comfort and improved sleep quality. Crafted with high-quality PU leather certified for durability and stability, the MisUMis Loveseat is built to withstand the rigors of travel, providing a safe and long-lasting addition to your RV. Available in a variety of colors, this reclining loveseat not only meets practical needs, but also complements your RV's interior with its modern and stylish design. With a 90% pre-assembly rate, the MisUMis Loveseat is easy to install within 10 minutes, allowing you to quickly enjoy relaxing moments with family on your journeys.